had told myself that usually you guys Hi honeys, how are ya? Tanya Mishailo here, and of course welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog starts here, and I'm just from shooting a makeup transformation with my sister. Make it a point that you go over there in the description box below, and hopefully at the card up here right now to watch that video. But of course right now I'm going to be organizing everything. After always filming, I have this place being a mess right now. Let me show you from a distance. But whenever I finish filming, I have that place over there being a mess, and I'm supposed to be sorting out that. Also, this bed of mine, I have a lot of products here, so literally that's what I'm going to be doing right now.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes.
Literally, you guys, I'm just from having a bath right now. It just feels like I'm having a forest behind me. Just look how pretty and how vigorously my plants are growing in the background. So right now I want to do my skincare kind of night routine. Currently, I've been very, very obsessed with Cushion Baby Lotion. This one in particular. Good morning guys, welcome to the next day. I know a lot of you, the first thing you're going to be noticing is the ashy or the dry kind of nature of my face. This morning I've been doing my skincare routine. As you see from my background, I've already set the vibes, and I have a little bit of a candle burning over there. I have a little bit of another kind of moment also burning over there. I don't know how they do call those things. How do they call them? Let me know in the comment section below. Here in my country, I think we call them a woody, but I don't know how they call them generally. Those things you burn out so that they can give you a little bit of smoke. I don't know if you'll be able to recognize this. Yes, over here. One of my new obsession is the black soap. I've heard of black soap for a very long time. I have heard of very big beauty YouTubers use black soap. I was always a little bit stretchy to be using it as my cleanser, but today morning I've used it and I just feel like my skin is very, very clean. But I think I've talked enough. Right now I'm going to be applying a little bit of alveoli. I love to apply my alveoli when it's fresh as it is from the garden.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night.
It has been, I think, something like 5 to 10 minutes ago, and of course I've just finished washing my face away from the alveoli. Right now I'm going to be using normal jelly over here, because the reason why I'm using normal jelly right now, it's because I have used all these particular kind of chemicals on my body, the natural chemicals in the alveoli, the chemicals in the black soap. So literally, you guys, just imagine, can you see how my skin is glowing? Here I'm having some dry tea. I already had tea and muogo in the morning. I want to show you what we are having, guys, for lunch and supper today. We are having mint over here. My sister Kadebi Fate is cooking and it's burning her. So hi guys, for the third time, I think the third or fourth time. So from the last clip, I think I did check in, it was around 11 in the morning. Yes, I think so. But right now it's, I think, approaching to 2. I took a nap. You guys, I don't know, but you know, this quarantine kind of life that which does not end. So I did take a nap that morning, you know. I did take a nap. Then after taking the nap, I did wake up again, and I was trying to get out and sort out different video ideas for you guys. By the way, let me know in the comment section below what you are very eager to know from me. Let me know in the comment section below. So it's already evening, and I think it's around 5, something like that. And right now I'm about to be moving to the supermarket. So literally, guys, I've been telling you that I'm going to be moving to the supermarket because I want to buy some things for myself. I want to buy some snacks to smuggle on as I do edit the video, because I think I'm going to be editing to around 12 in the night. Yes, okay, I had already planned into the demo video, and I think how I want the video to look like, but right now I want to go throughout the whole video again. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So what I'm wearing and it's not an ordinary kind of sweater, but it's one of the denim sweaters that I always love to wear, especially to school. I never got this from an online store. Yes, at least I got this from Kampala, I think Nabukera Plaza, something like that. Room number something. You guys, I always have the numbers on my head, but I think it was room number 218, something like that. And this is a thrift kind of head sock. I got this from Owino, and I know you have been seeing me the whole day with it. And for my shoes, I'm also going to be showing you what I'm wearing out. So literally for my shoes, I'm going to be wearing this pair of brown, I don't know rock shoes. And of course, I think I wore this the other day and I never cleaned them. That is shady. Guys, I know the background music is real, but I've been doing my makeup right now. I'm having a video coming up very soon, and I wanted just to share with you guys how literally I'm very obsessed with that freaking song. You guys, I think I last checked in with you, I think it was yesterday or something like that. It was yesterday, but now it's another day, and I'm having some videos to be shooting today. And as you see over here, I've been very busy doing my makeup, doing a lot of stuff, trying out new products that did come 3 days ago. I had not tried a lot of products, but I was also trying those in the main freaking time as I try to accomplish everything. The video I'm about to be filming now, it's going to be a sit down chit chat kind of video talking about a lot of products girl you need, especially when you're a beginner starting out in makeup, different products that I think you need in your mini kind of kit. And I really wanted to do my makeup so that I'm popping. It's a very simple glam kind of makeup. I have not contoured my nose, I've contoured the rest of my face, I've done a little bit of brows, not full. And the eyeshadow right now I'm wearing, it's one of my new products that I'm very obsessed with. Hopefully very soon I'll be doing a video about that. So right now I'm going to be filming that video. As I told you, literally it's a Sunday. Sunday is not a filming day for me, but one of these days I'm making it a filming day for me, because the whole of this week I've been very freaking free, just trying to do a lot of things, trying to do a lot of research about YouTube and a lot of other goody stuff. But hopefully that is done and filming time is here. I'm just going to my second milestone, which is 500 uploads, and my subscriber base has also been growing a lot, my view base and the growth of my channel in general, and that makes me a little bit excited because I've really worked freaking hard to reach where I am right now. So I think I've crumbled enough. Let me just start filming the video right now. Very important. So I would advise a person who's starting out in makeup a foundation that did give me full coverage. Like, guys, guess what? Electricity has just gone. You guys, as I do wait for the electricity to come back, I'm going to be eating my lunch over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'm having rice and cabbages. I've already started eating, by the way, because I've been looking at the meter and it was not even showing anything like a sign of electricity that it is back. So literally, you guys, thank you very much for watching the vlog. I've been editing today's vlog and I did remember that I never did the outro, but thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, to comment, to subscribe. Let me grab you again in my next amazing, beautiful vlog. Tanya and Shiloh switching out. Bye for now.